Well, she had one, but I guess she was.
Hi, who are you?
She had
You,
one.
huh? Who are you?
Passport. I've had a passport.
Oh, you're a red girl.
Yeah, use the restroom.
Yep. Down the hall. Door on your left.
The tweet room.
The suite room. Well, you already know where it is.
And I wondered, this Kathy Hagelman, isn't this a dog that's named Tweety? Isn't that Tweety? No, Tweety Bird or Tweety Pie or
I don't
whatever.
know.
Oh, I just wondered.
There was a
if
brother of
that was
hers.
Tweety.
There was a brother of hers that had a golden retriever, and that one passed away, and he was looking for another one, and someone had steered him in my direction.